Hello guys, today I'm going to share something like from where you will get to know that some product suits your skin or not. So you have to give some trial over that, and I will share one whole video today. This is from Smytten and they give you free trials. Only you have to charge for the shipment and delivery, and it's too less. They just send me some trial packs and it was amazing. I didn't use the packs, are so cute. Like, I will show you what they send, and I will tell every details of this app, and I will even link it in my description. So let's start. The packagings are so great. I will show you. Like, they first gave me this curtain, and then they have wrapped all the products like this, and they send it to me. It's so cute. First, I will tell you about this lip balm. This is from Saga Appropriate Strawberry Lip Balm, and this is the trial pack. Nice smell. And then again another lip balm from the Freezy Crease Cool Explosion Lip Balm. Repair damaged tissue and leave your lip looking morning dew fresh. This lip balm, I also didn't use this one. If you want to get some review, you can tell me in the comment section. I will do the review of that product. So next is the Saga Acropat. This is a charcoal face mask, and this also I haven't used yet. The consistency is very great. This is a sample, like a small trial pack. Because of the winter, my skin gets too much dry, okay, and it just break out. So I bought this for my hand and some dry portions where I get dryness. Like, this is from Wow Body Butter, and I will try this, and I think it will be the best one because the smell is also very amazing. I didn't use it yet. It's very nice. If you want to review this product, then tell me in the comment section. I will do that and tell you if you can buy the full product. So I show you the last product. Like, I did a skincare video over all the Asher products. I will give that in the link. You can see somewhere up there. Yeah. If you want, you can click there and go to my next video, like previous video that was in skincare. Okay. Forgot to tell you that they also sent me a cute little gift. This is a pouch. Acha. They have the tag or the bag of their company. This purple. So cute. You can put your makeup things inside. If you want, you can take this as a travel makeup kit. This is very cute. Thank you, Smytten. Now the last product I will show you, that's from Blue Moon Intoxication Fine Fragrance Mist for Men. Okay, I just bought this because I don't know. I thought that I can gift someone if I like the smell. But the smell is very nice, like manly smell. I love that. So this is all for the today's video, and if you all want to share some of the reviews from this products, please tell that in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and Oh, huh. I will tell that. I was just telling that you have to just download it from Play Store and you can use it. Like if you want to use my link, I will give it in the description. Then you will get some more discount in the shipment charge and delivery charge. And please